Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Today we are going to replace the cover on this outdoor outlet. So we are going to go with what you see here, which is just off the rack from Home Depot. There's nothing wrong with this per se, but I like the outdoor covers that have the space where the plug can fit inside rather than just it sitting kind of on the outside, especially with rain and all kinds of weather like that. So we just gonna go ahead and replace this. This is a pretty simple task. What we're gonna do next, if you flip these up, you'll see you can see the screw right in the middle of the two outlets. We are going to loosen that so that it will be ready to be taken away from the wall. Okay, the next step is to pick which adapter you want, and I already put mine in. You can see this just snaps in the back of the box, and the reason I went with this one is because it matches my outlets right here, so it's easy to tell. You also have this one you can use, or if you have a round thing, you can use this one too. So these just snap right in. The next step, what I'll do is put this back on, put the screw back in the middle, and then, put the screw in the middle. Okay, so I've got the outlet cover attached. You can see through the screw right here, and this just swings and closes. What you can do if you'd like, and it doesn't really matter to me, so I'm not going to do it, you could pop these pins out and put them up here so this pops up vertically rather than horizontally. But to me it doesn't really matter. Another thing that is nice and convenient if you'd like, and this piece right here, you just it pops out. It's probably good that you have to put a little force in it, right? There you go. So what it allows you to do is when you plug in your cords, you can still close this because the cord will be right here. So if you have, say, like Christmas lights or any kind of in-ground lighting, you might want to always have that plugged in, and this just doesn't have to hang open, right? Because the cord will be right here and this can just completely shut. So I'm just gonna put this back in because I don't need to do that right now. The last step, we're just gonna caulk around the edges just to make sure this is nice and secure. All right, so as you can see here, I put a bead of caulk on top along the side. It got a little messy there. And on the other side, just where the new box met the part of the wall where the outlet comes out of. This will actually dry clear, so I'll come back out and take another video to show you. This is the brand that I like to use outside. It's interior and exterior. As you can see, it's clear. It goes on white. What I like about it is it's latex, but with some silicone in it. So that means it's flexible over time. I think that's important, especially for when you're doing outside stuff. I like to put a little baggy and rubber band on top when I'm finished, because that way it preserves the caulk inside for the next time. Okay, so I actually waited a day or so to show you how the caulk dries. As you can see, it's all clear around the edges. So we are good to go. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like.